Welcome back to Freight Shakers and 4G Farms. It's a kind of frosty Saturday morning. So today on this episode, if you watched the last one, where we were actually able to get the brown truck pulled into the barn without doing too much damage to it, we are going to start cleaning that out, the cab out. It's got a lot of busted glass and a lot of years worth of junk in it to clean out. And then once we get that done, then we can start working on getting the old girl to turn over. So we're going to clean her out, strip out the seats. Well, one seat because it's only got the one, and we'll go from there. So let's head on in, and we'll see what we got here. All right. So I'll walk this way. I wish we had a nice heater or the fireplace going, but we don't have that in yet. So, anyways. Here's the old gal. She's in the barn. Looking good. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Got a new bench, so that's gonna make it easy to get in and out of the truck. But as you can see, we're missing a few windows. And so we've got a gal over. And she's got quite a bit of years worth of cobwebs and everything else growing in this thing, but we are going to get this all cleaned out. That'll be the mission for today. And let's take a look over on this side. There we go. Got the put the towel on there because and look like a cat or something was sleeping on the seat for a few years. So we'll get that old girl out of here, and then we can start maybe having a little more fun with it. So stay tuned. I'm going to set you up on a tripod, and we'll do a little time lapse. got this all vacuumed out, so I'm gonna move on to the next side and probably pull out the chair first. Get that seat out of the way. That way it's a lot easier to work around and see what I got to clean up. So, but as you can see, we've got a multitude of different colors on this truck. There's the original coloring of green and orange from being a West Coast truck lines vehicle. All right, well, I'm gonna cut it off here and then I'll get to work on the other side. Take quite a while to get this darn chair out of here, but let's go ahead and get her out. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, all right, not quite done yet. One more thing. Oh, of course. Seatbelt. Always a seatbelt. Oh, if there's not one thing on it. All right. Seat is coming out. Get this baby out of here. This thing is nasty. Oh, of course there's that too. All right, air seat. All right. All right. All right, now, finally out of here. And this thing is about the grossest. All right, welcome back. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the truck. I've been doing a little cleaning on it. I didn't want to, set up a time lapse of me scrubbing. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look. All right. jump in here. You can see. All right. Steering wheel came off pretty good. So, yeah, everything's looking pretty decent. I've still got to try and find a donor cab. Got everything all cleaned out in here. Seat's gone. Jake. All right. Next one we're going to do, we're going to put the cab up. All right, cab's up. So next thing we've got to do is we're going to look at pulling the radiator out. So quite the chore here to get this out. I'm going to have to drop the cab so she's looking at the ground, and that's always a joy, and put a strap on it to make sure she doesn't go all the way over. But yeah, so the next video we're going to do is going to be working to get the old girl's radiator in there, and then throw a set of batteries in here and see if I can get her to turn over, and we'll go from there. So that will be a wrap on this one, and we'll have to there she is. And so well, there we go. Next one, hopefully next week, we're going to start in on the radiator. And then I've also got the old green girl. We're going to pull her in here and get that door handle finally fixed so I can quit crawling over through the passenger side and getting it going that way, because we got to start working on that. Truck shows are coming up, and I want to start getting things rolling. So got most of my chores done for the winter, and now we're going to start doing the fun stuff. So stay tuned. Once again, I appreciate everyone watching the channel. This is going to be a great ride, and like and subscribe. Thanks.